Hi everyone, my name is Lia and welcome to the kitchen. I hope everybody is having a wonderful January and staying warm this winter. In today's video, I'm going to be making a Southern food comfort classic. Join me today as I make chicken and dumplings. Let's get started! For this recipe, you'll need celery, flour, butter, salt, bay leaves, thyme, olive oil, chicken broth, an onion, baking powder, black pepper, milk, parsley, carrots, frozen peas, and of course some chicken thighs.
Begin by chopping up 1½ cups worth of carrot into small pieces. Slice a stalk of celery in half lengthwise and chop it up into 1½ cups worth of small pieces. Finely dice 1 whole onion. Mince a fresh bunch of parsley. Use a paper towel to pat dry a 4-pack of bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Add and heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a large soup pot. Place the chicken thighs in the pot skin side down to sear for 5 minutes over medium heat. Season with some salt and black pepper to taste. Flip the chicken thighs over to sear the other side for 5 minutes. And season with some more salt and black pepper. Remove the seared chicken thighs and set to the side. Add the diced onion, chopped carrot, and celery to the pot. Stir and saute the vegetables over medium heat for 7 minutes, allowing them to soften and also scraping any brown bits off the bottom of the pot. Add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and stir and saute for 1 minute. Add in a 1/3 cup of flour and vigorously stir the flour until it dissolves amongst the vegetables, ensuring none of it burns. Gradually pour in 6 cups worth of chicken broth, stirring in between every couple of cups to ensure no lumps form from the flour. Add in a 1/2 teaspoon of dried bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and stir to combine. Carefully place the seared chicken thighs in the pot, ensuring they are fully submerged in the broth. Add the 2 remaining cups of chicken broth to the pot. Bring the broth up to a boil, and then allow the chicken to simmer on low heat, covered for 25 minutes. Remove the lid, and take the cooked chicken thighs out of the broth. Remove and discard all the skin from the cooked chicken thighs. Pick all the meat off the bones, and cut the remaining meat into small pieces. Add the cut up chicken back to the gently simmering broth. Add 3 tablespoons of butter to a small bowl, and melt the butter in the microwave. Measure and add 2 cups of flour to a bowl, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then whisk to combine. Add in a 1/4 cup of freshly chopped parsley and whisk again to incorporate. Pour in the melted butter and fold until evenly distributed amongst the flour. Pour in 1 cup of milk and stir until no dry flour remains and you have a loose batter. Spoon and scoop small tablespoon amounts of the dumpling batter into the simmering broth until you have used all the batter. Then cover the dumplings with the lid to steam for 15 minutes. Remove the lid and give the chicken and dumplings a gentle stir. Add in a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley and 1 cup of frozen peas. Stir everything together until the peas are heated through. Ladle and serve your chicken and dumplings in a bowl. And top with some more fresh parsley.
Thank you so much for joining me in making this chicken and dumplings. I hope you enjoy a nice warm bowl to keep you warm this winter. If you're interested in my recipe for chicken and dumplings, you can click the link in the description box below to visit my website, lianoellecooking.com. There you'll find all my recipes written out, photos, videos, and more. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more delicious recipes.